Hello and welcome. I'm Subathra Mylsamy, Managing Partner at AK Mylsamy and Associates. Today I'm here to discuss a topic that is not just gaining traction but is also shaping the future of finance and technology: India's approach to regulating cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. As a legal professional, I've seen firsthand the evolving landscape marked by both promise and uncertainty. Let's get into the current legal environment, the compliance measures in place, challenges we face, and what we can anticipate moving forward. To begin with, let's consider the current regulatory landscape. At present, India does not have a specific legal framework dedicated exclusively to cryptocurrencies. The Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill, introduced in 2021, remains pending in the Parliament. This delay leaves the regulatory environment somewhat ambiguous, with stakeholders often left in the grey areas. Both the Reserve Bank of India and the Ministry of Finance have expressed concerns about virtual currencies, particularly emphasizing that these are not recognized as legal tenders. However, a pivotal moment came in 2020 when the Supreme Court struck down an RBI directive that had barred the banks from offering services to cryptocurrency exchanges. This ruling underscored the absence of explicit laws against virtual currencies while reaffirming the RBI's overarching authority for India's financial systems. Despite the lack of comprehensive legislative framework, India has implemented certain compliance measures. In March 2023, the scope of Prevention of Money Laundering Act was extended to include virtual digital assets or VDAs. This extension mandates that crypto businesses adhere to the KYC norms and secure licenses from the Financial Intelligence Unit of India. These measures are critical for enhancing oversight and mitigating risks such as fraud, money laundering in the crypto space. Furthermore, on the taxation front, the government introduced a 30% tax on income for cryptocurrency transactions in 2022, a 1% tax of TDS of transactions exceeding a specified threshold. These steps are aimed at ensuring transparency and accountability within the cryptocurrency market, thereby integrating it more formally into the national economy. However, as with any emerging field, there are challenges. India's current stance on cryptocurrency regulation can be described as cautiously optimistic, often taking a wait and see approach. The results are a significant degree of uncertainty for businesses and investors who are seeking more definite guidelines. While the government is working towards creating a comprehensive regulatory framework, the absence of specific legislation continues to be a major obstacle. Another substantial challenge lies in the need for international cooperation. The global nature of cryptocurrencies means that varying regulations across different jurisdictions complicate compliance and enforcement efforts. India's evolving stance on cryptocurrency regulation is not only critical for the domestic market but also holds significant implications for the global regulatory framework. Looking ahead, there's a notable development as of August 2024. The Indian government is now actively seeking public input on cryptocurrency regulation. The Department of Economic Affairs is preparing a consultation paper to gather feedback from the stakeholders, including industry experts, legal professionals, and general public. Now, this initiative marks a significant step forward, crafting informed, balanced, effective regulations for digital currencies in India. In conclusion, while India's regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies is still evolving, the steps being taken signify a strong commitment addressing compliance, consumer protection, and fraud prevention. Nevertheless, the absence of specific legislation remains a key challenge. One would require to continue a dialogue collaboration among regulators, industry leaders, and policymakers. India stands at a pivotal point where it has the opportunity to set global standards for cryptocurrency regulation. How we navigate this will likely influence how the nations approach the rapidly changing sector. So, thank you for joining me today. If you found this discussion insightful, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more legal tech updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.